This is how to change oil in a 2010 Toyota Prius. Step 1, put the car on jacks 2. Get a number 14. Take this bolt off right here. After you drain the oil, what you want to do is grab this tool and take off the oil filter. Take out your old filter, clean this inside, put in your new filter, and then take this gasket from the old one and swap that out. Then tighten it back on. Take the ratchet. Make sure you don't do it too tight, you can ruin the gasket. And you should be good. Then you want to fill up about 4.5 quarts of W20, just so that you have a good amount of oil in there. Not too much and not too little bit. Jack your car down slowly. Turn off maintenance required or brake or oil needed. Go trip. You gotta get trip A. Hold the kilometer. Turn the car off. Wait a few seconds. 5 seconds. Press the ignition once. And then put a foot on brake and start the car. See, it's resetting oil maintenance data. There you go. Should be good.